Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create account for Perfect Money. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and go to perfectmoney.com. So now guys, once you are on perfectmoney.com, just simply go ahead and click on sign up over here at the top. So click on this, and now right away you should be able to create an account. Just simply provide a account name and just simply provide your full name, and from there just simply provide your city and your address as well, and make sure to add your country. And below that, just simply provide the zip code that you have, and most importantly, the email. And down below, just simply provide the account type. So I'm gonna go for personal, and just simply provide your password over here. And now just retype it down below, and just simply provide the captcha over here. So I'm just gonna click on this to choose a specific touring number. Just simply provide it over here, click on I agree, and click on register. And now guys, once you have done that, just simply go to your email and just simply check your email. So guys, the email will look something like this, and you should have your personal member ID over here. So just simply go ahead and copy your personal member ID, and after that just simply go to perfectmoney.com again, and just simply click on login over here, and just simply provide your member ID, and just simply provide your password over here, and provide the touring number as well. And now click on authorize, and from there you should be able to log in. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.